Best Sport Motorcycles 2025, MV Agusta Superveloce Arsham. In a stunning blend of art and engineering, MV Agusta has unveiled the 2025 Superveloce Arsham, a limited edition sport motorcycle that embodies the visionary creativity of contemporary artist Daniel Arsham. This collaboration promises to elevate the sport motorcycle experience with its unique design, advanced technology, and unparalleled performance. Artistic design and aesthetic excellence. The MV Agusta Superveloce Arsham stands out with a design that blurs the line between motorcycle and art. Daniel Arsham's influence is evident in the bike's unique aesthetics, featuring custom livery and finishes that reflect his signature style. The bodywork showcases a blend of futuristic elements and vintage-inspired touches, creating a motorcycle that is both a nod to the past and a leap into the future. Every detail, from the sculpted fuel tank to the bespoke seat, has been meticulously crafted to exude elegance and exclusivity. Performance and engineering mastery. At its core, the Superveloce Arsham is powered by a 798 cubic centimeters triple-cylinder engine, delivering breathtaking performance with a smooth and responsive power curve. This engine, known for its high-revving nature and exhilarating acceleration, ensures that the Superveloce Arsham is not only a visual masterpiece but also a formidable machine on the road. The lightweight chassis and advanced suspension system provide exceptional agility and handling, making it perfect for both spirited rides and high-speed track sessions. Innovative technology and features. MV Agusta has integrated cutting-edge technology into the Superveloce Arsham to enhance both performance and rider experience. A full-color TFT display offers comprehensive ride information, including speed, gear position, and navigation. Riders can choose from multiple riding modes, adjusting throttle response and traction control to suit varying road conditions and riding styles. The motorcycle also features advanced electronics, including cornering ABS and a quickshifter, ensuring seamless and safe riding dynamics. Comfort and ergonomics. Despite its high-performance credentials, the Superveloce Arsham is designed with rider comfort in mind. The ergonomically designed seat and handlebars provide a balanced riding position, reducing fatigue during long rides. The adjustable suspension system allows for personalized comfort and control, ensuring a smooth ride on diverse terrains. Market impact and availability. The anticipation for the MV Agusta Superveloce Arsham is palpable among motorcycle enthusiasts and art connoisseurs alike. Scheduled for a limited release in 2025, this exclusive model is set to become a collector's item, attracting those who appreciate the intersection of art and high-performance engineering. With its distinctive design, advanced technology, and unparalleled craftsmanship, the Superveloce Arsham is poised to make a significant impact in the luxury sport motorcycle market. Conclusion. The 2025 MV Agusta Superveloce Arsham is more than just a motorcycle, it is a work of art that embodies the spirit of innovation and creativity. By combining Daniel Arsham's artistic vision with MV Agusta's engineering excellence, this limited edition model offers a unique riding experience that celebrates both aesthetics and performance. Whether admired as a piece of art or ridden for its exhilarating dynamics, the Superveloce Arsham sets a new benchmark for what a sport motorcycle can be, marking a bold step forward in the world of luxury motorcycles.